or BB for short. While few traders consider the Bollinger Bands as a trend following indicator, many see it as a volatility indicator. The Bollinger Bands is made up of a simple moving average in the middle, flanked by an upper limit line above it and a lower limit line below it. The upper limit line is 2 standard deviations above the SMA, and the lower limit line is 2 standard deviations below the SMA. When the market is stable, the upper and lower limit lines will contract and they will be pretty close to the SMA in the middle. On the contrary, when the market is volatile, the upper and lower limits will be further apart from the middle line. On crypto, a buy signal is given when the price drops below the lower limit, and a sell signal is given when the price rises above the upper limit. This makes the Bollinger Bands indicator pretty unique, since in a ranging market it will be making small profits since the Bollinger Bands are close, while in the trending market it will make bigger profits since the Bollinger Bands are further apart. Generally, I found the Bollinger Bands to work best on the hourly chart, but I found the performance to vary greatly from coin to coin. Therefore, I would backtest well and paper trade before using this indicator with real funds. In general, the BB can work very well with the MESA, since the MESA can provide the overall trend on the 1-day or 4-hour chart, and the Bollinger Band can find the appropriate entries and exits on the hourly chart.